Hey Achiever fam, listen up. If you haven't tried Manuka honey, you're missing out. Everyone knows honey is delicious and has some health benefits, right? But Manuka honey is on a whole other level. It is just like your regular honey, but on steroids. Don't take it literally. You'll understand why I'm calling it the honey on steroids soon. Because now we'll find out what is Manuka honey and why is everyone talking about it. There's a special property of Manuka honey. It comes from bees buzzing around a specific kind of tree in New Zealand. Guess the name of the tree. Yeah, it's called the Manuka tree. The real good stuff is made only from that plant. No mixing with other flowers. The funny thing is, back in the day, beekeepers in New Zealand hated this honey. It was thick, a pain to get out of the combs, and it tasted a bit weird compared to what they were used to. But now, you can find Manuka honey everywhere, especially in health stores. Get this, honeybees weren't always buzzing around New Zealand. It all started in 1839 when a brave English beekeeper named Mary Bumby shipped over 2 beehives. She set up shop in New Zealand's North Island. Interestingly, that was an area filled with these cool Manuka trees. It turns out those bees loved the Manuka flowers, and guess what? Their very first batches of honey were this unique Manuka variety. It wasn't long before the whole Manuka honey thing took off. A scientist from New Zealand named Dr. Peter Molan got super fascinated by Manuka honey. It wasn't just that it tasted good, he realized it had these amazing antibacterial powers.
Manuka honey in New Zealand had a reputation of being a much better antiseptic than other honeys.
And the interesting thing is you can actually measure how strong this effect is. Dr. Molan kept digging and came up with the idea of the Unique Manuka Factor, UMF. This UMF thing eventually became super important. It basically is how you know if the Manuka honey you're getting is the real deal. This real good stuff can seriously boost your immune system, help heal wounds, and even beat back sore throats. Like magic, right? But is it the real deal, or just another piece of internet hype? Spill your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned because we're diving deep into all benefits of Manuka honey in the upcoming video. Bye!